Hey, check this out. This is how I made my first $100,000 online while I was still working a 9-to-5 job. Now, these are just some of the checks that came in. Here's the first one here for $4,500. Here's another one here for $3,700 here, and then one more here for $3,300. Now, I have a handful of these checks, and the way I was able to do that is with affiliate marketing. And I've done every business model on the planet: Amazon FBA, e-commerce, Shopify, and I've been successful in those, but by far affiliate marketing is my favorite way to build a business online, especially if you're still working a 9-to-5 job and you're trying to leave. Actually, I was able to leave my 9-to-5 job within just 9 months of starting my business. Guys, my name is Jonathan Montoya, and I used to work as an electrical engineer. I used to hate my job. I hated driving to and from work every single day and not having the time and the financial freedom that I always wanted. So what I'm going to be doing, guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to build an affiliate marketing business in just 3 days. I'm going to go step by step, click by click with my new 3-day business breakthrough challenge. And in that challenge, I'm going to show you how to build a business, but more importantly, how to build a long-term and sustainable business, a business that's going to last for years and years to come. Now guys, if you want to learn more on how you can join this challenge, it's only $7 to join. Click the link below or around this video. It's going to take you to a page where you enter your email, and then on that page you can join for only $7. I'm going to teach you exactly how I built a 6-figure business with affiliate marketing. Now guys, I'm going to show you some of the testimonials real quick if you're still not convinced on why affiliate marketing is so powerful. Check this out. Okay, so we're inside my Facebook group, the 3-day business breakthrough challenge. I want to show you some of these amazing testimonials. Here's one by Ben Fortner. He got his first high ticket commission and he's super excited. Here's another one here from Mike Jones. Super excited on this Sunday evening. I was able to earn my big first high ticket commission with the Freedom Breakthrough course. I learned a lot from him. You can see here he did over almost $500 here. Now if we keep going here, Daniel Chow, oh my god, boom, my first high ticket commission. You can see another almost $500 here. And if we keep going, it goes on and on. Boom, nothing beats waking up to a high ticket commission. That's Lear. Eddie got his first commissions. Let me see here. We got Sergio Sixtos got his first high ticket commission, and we go on and on. Another one by Ben Fortner. O'Brien got his first high ticket commission, and a lot of these students have never had a high ticket commission. Another one here by Deanna Castillo. So if you want to learn more, guys, click the link below and get started with the 3-day business breakthrough challenge.